per minute. It never seemed to get past 90. Got a little fan blowing on it. It's hot to the touch, barely to where I can not hold it anymore. Minute and a half. We are at no SWR. SWR set to basically nothing. We will go to power. ALC power out right there. 100 watts on the meter. Back to SWR. SWR is nil. We are coming up on 2 minutes. It's hot, not scalding hot. I don't think. I don't know. We're going to measure it. I may not have the fan airflow just right. It's not a very powerful fan, but all right. We're coming up on a 2 minute test, and we're going to unkey down. Got my foot on the pedal here. Gonna let go. Bam. Okay. And then let's go see how hot this baby is. It's wow, yeah, it's significantly hot. How hot? Well, let's see if we can determine. Ouch. Get this little baby out here. 103. Yeah, that's about right. 100, 103. Not overly hot. 110 maybe. Maybe if it was an oil or something, I don't know. Seems like you need to pull the heat off there, and that's what the big deep fins on the heatsink are for. It's hot on the ends, so which means it's extracting the heat from here. So I think it's doing its job, and more or less. So okay, there's 118, 120 right on that resistor, somewhere thereabouts. So yeah, the shiny aluminum doesn't do well. You need a kind of a dull surface. That's what this laser pointer is kind of doing. So basically 115. Fan's blowing up a storm there. No, I shouldn't say. It's not blowing up a storm at all. So there you have it. Little mini heat sink. Or mini heat sink. Mini dummy load with pretty good SWR. Only to about 10 meters. Anything higher than 10 meters. 6 meters, 2 meters, it starts going up to 1.5 to 1. It's somewhat usable, but dummy load in my mind should be 1.0 something to 1. It should be near a perfect match because you usually do a dummy load for tune-ups and alignment, that sort of thing. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll have to compare that to the 300 watt dummy load I got there. See how that does there. But the resistors kind of work. You got to keep the leads really short. I had to do this when I did any other kind of arrangement. The SWR was really high, well, higher than 1.5 to 1. It was less than 2, 1.5 to 1 on the HF bands, which doesn't make it a good dummy load. So you want to keep the leads short as possible, clean as straight line as possible. I got some thin solder wick between these two things. It's not the most rigid thing. It'll probably crack off. In fact, I cracked 2 of the resistor, the little side tab off of it. It's really small side tab. How they rate these resistors 100 watts, I don't know. I don't think so, Tim. As long as you can pull that heat out of there, I guess you'll be okay. So there you have it.